Ibn Sina from the 5th of the 8th month of 1446. Ibn Sina was privileged, but his opportunity was proved. In religious studies and medicine, from his elders, he soon became distinguished. With private libraries, his understanding of civilization was combined. Methodologies and revelation guided the choices of essence. Philosophy is not a rejection of faith nor science. Intimation was not as needed as people guess. Rejection of total purity, he confessed. Self-consciously original in his own life, he claimed to need no other reference to God. The time comes to shift from commentary on the ancient thinkers and take up a new rod. And his name, Abu Ali al-Hussein bin Abdullah bin al-Hussein bin Ali bin Sina al-Balaki al-Bukhari, and he is most known as Ibn Sina. And admittedly, he wasn't completely pious, so I included that. But it was important that he worked in all these different fields, geology and psychology and astronomy and all that. And he didn't seem to think that there needed to be something other than religion, although there were some sins that he took part in. I myself used to go to church twice a week, and one of the things that, there was just not a complete life in the church that I was raised in, or any church. But Avicenna, in his own faith, didn't see the need for anything else.